Welcome to AgriEyes, worldwide signal lights tech leading factory. Renowned for our commitment to excellence and unmatched quality, AgriEyes is the go-to destination for all your signal light needs. At AgriEyes, we believe in the power of innovation. Our team of dedicated engineers and researchers work tirelessly to design and produce signal lights that exceed industry standards. Step inside our state-of-the-art manufacturing workshop, where precision and expertise converge. With a team of 500 skilled employees, our production is carried out in strict order and requirements, ensuring the utmost quality of every output. Quality control is our top priority. Every AgriEyes product undergoes a series of rigorous environmental tests, both in our laboratory and on the road. From vibration testing to extreme temperature simulations, we leave no stone unturned in ensuring the highest level of durability and performance. Visit our website or contact us today to explore the world of AgriEyes and discover the perfect signal light solution for your needs. AgriEyes, worldwide signal lights tech leading factory. Trust in our experience, engineering prowess, and professionalism in the signal lights industry. Experience the AgriEyes difference today.